What's up, y'all? Back. Well, the weather's really nice today. Last week or two, it's been just pouring down, raining. So now I'm just gonna get onto the black element, well, blue element, however you want to call it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'll probably end up replacing the engine on this. Reason being because it's still not right to me. Even though the valves adjusted, I put on a new head, all that good stuff, I believe the block is actually warped a tiny bit. Because after I got up to temperature a couple times, I've been drove it a few times, now I'm starting to see a little coolant in the oil. So we're gonna put off that for a while, and I have another engine. I just gotta dig it out and swap it out, and it'd be good to go. But the black one here, I'm gonna go ahead and do the brakes and the suspension today. Show you guys that, and I want to finish off the front bumper. I think I'm gonna do that first because I think that's gonna be the easiest to knock out. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that first on the element so people can see that. Was gonna make separate videos about it, but I decided not to. So I'm just gonna do it right now. So let's get started. All right, so I have a basic wire harness here. It just I don't know, it's a regular little wire harness. Fuses, connectors, relay, switch, and I believe that switch comes on like it turns red. Let's see, negative and positive for the battery. Relay mounts inside the engine bay, and then you have your switch. Where'd it go? Right here, that goes in the car, and it has a connector, so you can put it through the firewall. And then one side for the driver's side, and then this will go over to the passenger side. So like they go over here. So it's very, very simple wire harness, and I have to connect it to this for the fog lights. I have to adapt it to this wire harness here, and I'm probably gonna keep those on there if I can get that back in there like that. But yeah, it's gonna go on there. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how I put these plugs on. I already cut the wire, as you can see, and I cut the plug, stripped it back a little bit, not too much, and put the shrink wrap over. Let's see, we're gonna put it down this side first, and then put this one down this side, and we're gonna slide our cover on at the same time because that's gonna go on there as well. And then you go from black to black. Now this is how I'll do it. I don't know if anybody else does it like this, but I kind of put them halfway, my ashy hands, and I kind of twist them on them to themselves, just like that. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Let's see, twist it to itself like that. So it's really got one strand loose there. That's okay. And then it's actually kind of tight right now, but we're gonna solder it for sure. Definitely solder it. So I get it up there and get the solder. Solder. Get a lot on there. Let's see, get this side. Make sure it penetrates all the way down through so it won't come undone. That's good there. Blow it off a little bit. So it's not too hot. I'm gonna slide our cover down because I need to get to my shrink wrap. Just gonna shrink wrap it over here like so. And take this one like so, before it starts shrinking. Let me roll this back down to the other end. And then you get a lighter and just heat it up there a little bit. Now I had a heat gun, but that joker, it stopped working. And that's it. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I tape it up with wire harness tape. Just so you know. I'll just show you here. And just rip it off, and there we go. Got a connector. All right, I want to show you guys how I ran the wire harness for the lights. So this is the plug that goes outside. So it's gonna go through that way. So I put the relay right there, ran that wire for that goes inside through there, and then I took all the rest of the wires. If you know, the Element has a harness that goes straight down underneath the air box, and that's some of the wire right there. And then I went down, came along here, along the horn, and then underneath, and then this is one of the plugs here. And when I say underneath, it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's zip tied here, and I made little holes and zip tied them all the way down, and you can see the other end hanging right there. So the other end comes out right here where to plug up, but it's tucked away very, 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 very nice. And I just got to make a hole through the firewall, probably down there, to come up inside. And where I'm gonna come up inside at is right here. I'm gonna put the switch right here, which is this doohickey. I'm gonna put it right there. So I got the switch in, and you can see the wires going through the I think that was for the clutch if it was a manual. So I went through the clutch hole with a grommet and ran the wire through to this switch, and if you can see, it's running through here. And I just wrapped up what I had left over there in the corner, and that's it. Let's see if it'll work. So the switch is on the off. When it's on, it's lit. And let's see. Probably ain't gonna work. Oh, that one's working. Oh yeah, it's working. Nice. And that's what it looks like. Cool. Now I just gotta finish fitting on a bumper. All right, so that's it. It's all back together. Got this Subaru Foglight. Subaru. I think it turned out pretty good. Honestly, I really did. It wasn't too bad like I thought it was gonna be, but I don't know what I did with the key. I'm so tired. Do the key. But that's it. I did I think I made a short on how to cut the fog lights out of the bumper, the hole, to get it where it will clamp without any bolts whatsoever. Those two like little points that stick out, and they're absolutely super strong. You have to have a angle screwdriver in order to take it off. Now, taking out the bulb, you don't have to take the light out to take the bulb off whatsoever. You just unclip, you know, the plug, twist the light, and to take it out. Now, it is one downside to having these lights. The driver's side is super easy. You could take this bolts out, replace the bulb. The passenger side is gonna be a little bit harder because the back of it is about that far away from the reservoir for the windshield wipers. So that's the only downside, but other than that, that's it. Okay, thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I will answer them as soon as I can. And thanks guys, later.